Welcome back, everybody. We're up camping with the family up here near Taylor Reservoir in the National Forest. Tonight, I've got a special treat for you. This is an Erie, Pennsylvania ox roast sandwich. This is our campground. We got all this into our van, so check it out. This is the Blackstone 10x10 tent, my 28-inch adventure-ready griddle, of course, the adventure-ready prep station, but a shout out to my friends at Bouge RV. You might remember last year, I brought the refrigerator to you in a video. This thing is a beauty. And it hauls, look at this, it's packed with food. And I'm powering it with this baby right here, the Fort 1500. So big thanks to Bouge RV for hooking me up with this. This thing is amazing. I've been testing it at home for the last couple of weeks. We'll be able to run the refrigerator for a couple of days. I'm gonna be able to take hot showers with our shower with that. And we'll be able to recharge all of our batteries, cell phones, all that stuff. And I have sleep apnea, so my CPAP machine as well. Shout out to Mike Stearns, my buddy from Erie, Pennsylvania, hooked me up with the Gordon's ox roast. I have a small Lodge Dutch oven. Oh baby, I literally have not had ox roast, Erie, Pennsylvania style, in well over 30 years. I am so excited. Fond memories of eating this at my dad's summer work picnic. So I grew up in Union City, Pennsylvania. My dad worked in Corey, Pennsylvania at a place called Rogers Structural Steel. They've been out of business for 30 years. And they used to have summer picnics at Waldemere in Erie and also at Conneaut Lake Park. Always remember seeing ox roast in the crock pots there. Of course, they call it ox roast, but it is a slow roasted beef roast. It isn't ox. It's getting really dark, but if you look down in there, it comes with au jus. Of course, I don't leave home without my Johnny's French dip, so I can augment that, just put a little extra in there if I want to. Probably not the traditional way, but I'm a black pepper guy. I have to have black pepper, and you know I have to have some form of garlic. You can let this sit and simmer as long as you want to. When we would go to those picnics growing up, they would have these in a slow cooker all day long. Check out these cool serving boats. I've been saving these for about a year. All right, pick these up at the grocery store. This is a ciabatta roll, and I think that'll be perfect. Nice and dense, can soak up all of that au jus. It's getting dark here, so I have my Blackstone Adventure Ready light. Whole bunch of new stuff with me here tonight. New power station, and of course, new Blackstone knives. Be careful, folks, if you're cutting, okay? Once I get close, I turn it around. I don't want to accidentally cut myself. Need to grab an apron so I don't melt my microphone string. Let's check out our, oh yeah, Erie ox roast, baby. Oh man, again, Mike, I can't thank you enough, brother. I haven't had this in decades, at least 30 years. Let's get those ciabatta rolls toasted up. I have some butter here for another recipe, so I'm thinking we'll just throw the butter down and we'll put the rolls down in a little pool of butter. Down with my butter. Oh yeah. Down with the ciabatta rolls. Look at that. That's what I was talking about earlier. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. Now, they don't traditionally toast their rolls in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's just a cold roll right out of the package. A moonlight check on our Erie ox roast. Oh, mama. Smells delicious, friends. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little sample for you right here. Oh yeah. I had this side of the griddle turned off, so I just turned it on. You can see we're slowly starting to toast up. Last roll coming off. Sadie has come over to join me. You ready to smell it? How does it smell, honey? You want to try a piece? Here we go, I'll get you a little piece. Ooh, that's warm, warm. There we go.
That's good.
Check out that ciabatta roll, by the way. Oh, I mean, come on, come on. Toast it to perfection every time on a Blackstone griddle. I'm gonna turn this side off. Now growing up, I think people just ate these plain, but I had this left over when I did the Arby's copycat sandwich several months ago. I'm a big fan of horsey sauce and horseradish. Take a look at that. There's probably nobody else in Colorado right now at this time at night at a campfire eating an Erie, Pennsylvania ox roast sandwich. Let's give it a try. It's out of this world. First off, I need to give credit where credit is due. That ciabatta roll is killer. It really is. It's dense, like I said, so we'll get a crunch, but it's so soft in the middle. It's just crispy with soft in the middle. Ox roast, it is killer. It's definitely worth the wait. I cannot believe I haven't had one of those in forever. It's so good. The au jus, that juice, that's the big difference maker right there. Whether you're talking about a ox roast sandwich from Erie, Pennsylvania, or a Portillo's, Chicago-style Italian beef. You can get boar's head or any kind of lunch meat roast beef off the shelf, but you're not gonna get that. The fact that it's marinating in those juices for who knows how long. Stay tuned, I do have a lot more videos coming soon. And make sure you're watching my Let's Give It a Try show every week on Blackstone social media. We have a brand new show, 52 a year. So thanks for watching, everybody, and until next time, this is Todd. I know it's dark, but I sure do appreciate you watching. Praise the Lord and pass the Erie ox roast sandwich.